fortunately, from what I understand, you know, it is contagious, but the death rate is pretty low. So, yeah, I understand the fear.
Well, we can see you still have a cough.
Excuse me. Let me get some of that. They said, yeah, I'm fine. I got tested twice, negative both times. The cough, probably just nerves.
Yeah.
Can I just add that I've started a GoFundMe page to help pay for some of the medical bills.
Sure.
So
And they can find it
hopefully,
through your
if
name.
anime
And we've got your name. Your name is
I
put
gave
on the
it.
screen.
Yep.
All right.
Okay.